Welcome back, guys. So today we are learning about string in Java, which is immutable by nature. That means you cannot change a string once created, but it can be re-referenced to the another or new string. Okay, so we will see in details about it little later. So let us see how string makes our life easier. So there are two methods to start a string or create a string. One is by using the literal string and other by using the keyword new. So here we will be using the literal string, and which is quite very easy and popular way to do it. Okay, so let us start. So on my screen you can see like a string class is created, but in order to run it we need a main class. Okay, so here is the main. Let us create a small string, which the string literal which we are going to use over here is string with capital S. Let us create a string str. Okay, it will be like hello there. So here we have created a string. String value is hello there exclamation mark inside double inverted comma. It is important. For the char we will be using single inverted comma, but for the string we will be using double inverted comma. Okay, so let us try to print it out. Okay, so let us run it. Okay, hello there, so cute, huh? So we have created another string variable locate. In locate it is like locate, that is like India, and there are some extra space at the end. You will get to know why I am doing this, but let us see. So here let us try to print this locate and see how it works. Okay, so it is printing India over here. So in case if you want, like I do not want to print India with some extra space, that we will be using a method that is called trim. This is the good thing about the reference data type, like there are some inbuilt methods which can be used. So here for the string we are going to use the word trim. So trim is going to remove all the extra space at the end. Let us run and check. See, here extra space is there, but here no space. So cool, right? Yes. Let us try to create another string result. Okay, just for easy case, and let us just comment it out. In the result what I am going to do is like we are going to use locate, and we are going to concatenation, like it will add. What we are going to do, add the second one. What here it is doing, we are adding string to locate. The output is like India, some space is there, hello there. The situation is like we want to get India in a caps letter. Okay, being our country I want to put it like highlighted in the capital letters. So what here we are doing, we are just turning it to all uppercase, and after that we are adding string to it. You can see we can put the sequence of methods like a chain. Let us see, it should now turn this India into cap letter, and the rest will be as it is. Fantastic, it is so cool, right? Let us do one more thing. So already we have result over here, but we want to know what is the number of characters in it. Okay, so in string the number of characters is said as like length. Okay, so result dot length, so it will give how many characters are there. So 19 characters. So nice. Let us create a boolean which will store the value of the result of the comparison. So it is like flag. Flag will say if locate equals India. Being it a string, we always have to add double inverted comma. So what do you say? Will it be equal? Of course not, because location is having extra space, like India is having some extra space over here, right? So what we can do, like trim, better to trim it first. Okay, and after that I want to compare it. Correct. So you see how trim then equals works together. Maybe I'm not sure like what format is there in India. Okay, what is the caps and small letters? So let us see what it says. No, right? So here we can do two things, like we can turn all into uppercase. Okay, let us see if it works. Yes, it works. But what if we want to do it some other way? Another way as in like how we can do? So equals, ignore case. So it will not like check the case of the character, just it will see like if it's IINNDDIIAA India, that's it. Okay, so it is true. So here we have learnt about trim, ignore case, uppercase, concat, and various other things. Let us now try to find like is there any character E? Okay, is there any character E? So for that what we do, like let us take the result. Okay, so in the result we have to identify where is character E. Got it? Yes. So for that, in result we have to find index of what we want, E. We want to get the index of E. So indexing in starts from 0. Okay, you can assume string as a character array, char array. Okay, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Correct. So E is the 8th character. So in case if I want to get the next E, is it possible to get? That is the homework. So here the task is to find all the location of character E in the result. There is a scenario where I want to change all E to A. Is it possible? Of course. Let us try how to do it. Okay. So here we are already have the string. Let us try to modify it. Result. Result. We have to change it. Okay. So in the result we will do replace, and we are replacing all E's to A's. Very nice. So here we have one problem. If we are doing like this, replacing E with A, do you think it is going to change the result into output how we are expecting A? Let us see. Let us see. So the answer is no. It will not change because we have learned it is immutable in nature. So even if we are doing some method and getting some desired output, we are not going to change what is the original string. So in order to do that, we have to create another string which will be like result2 and which will be holding the data from our transformation. And in order to get it, we might need to read that variable. Okay, so we are printing it out and so that we can see it. Let us see what it says. Yeah, all these are changed to A now. So cool, right? Yes, here it is. Let us see, oh, side by side so that we can understand what is the changes. Yeah, here is changed to A. Hello has become hello. There has become Dara. So it is like that. Okay. We can also check if any variable is like is empty. Is empty. Is empty is like there is nothing inside it. So of course it will give false because it is not empty. Cool, na? Okay. So this is like roughly most used methods we have seen right now. I would request you to go through the documentation given by the Oracle. There you can find more details and more methods which can be used, and it is very widely used in Java. So I hope you practice it, and your task is to locate all the E in result. Okay, I hope you might have enjoyed this session, and thank you. See you tomorrow. Bye.